Hello, how you doing? Not going to keep you long today. We're going to go for potato feta cheese salad. It is wonderful. Welcome back to How to Cook With. So I've got 3 cups here of potatoes, peeled them, cut them nice and small, boiled them till they're nice and soft in some salt water. Here I've got some feta cheese, 2 cups. Cut that again, but we're going to mix it up anyway, so it doesn't really matter. Olive oil, try and use a really nice quality olive oil. Try and spend some money on your olive oil. About 2 to 3 tablespoons. Tablespoon roughly of chopped parsley, same with onion. And there I've got some olives, taking the stones out. Kalamata, my favorite olives. I think there's 6 or 7 there. Really simply, little mix. Mixing bowl, potatoes are in. Let's get the parsley in there. The olives. You can chop them up smaller if you want. I don't mind them like that. Olive oil, the onion cut really small, and the feta. Now if you wanted, you could get some salt and pepper in here. I don't really find it necessary, especially the salt, because we've got the olives and the feta cheese. But what we do need to do is give it a really decent mix up and even kind of mash it a little bit. So easy, so beautiful. I've just added a little bit of spicy hot paprika on the top, but yeah, that's it. Well done. Lots of love. Thanks a lot for getting to the end of the video. If you'd like to give me a thumbs up, that does help us out quite a lot with the algorithm and such like. Subscribe if you like, you'll get notified about what we're doing. There's a thanks button if you want to donate. See you soon.